Welcome back guys to another video of the Stock Estate. Alright, in this channel we talk about all things swing trading, we talk about risk to reward ratios. Alright, we swing trade an account alongside a long-term investment portfolio, and in the coming months, alright, I'll definitely be talking more about my long-term investment ideas, which I've been working really hard on for the past month. Alright, and if you wish to check out my newsletter, okay, I have the written form over there. Alright, lots of good stuff. I go right into a much more detail in those newsletter posts because I couldn't possibly dump all on the YouTube channel, because if I did, that would be a 20, 30, 40, 50 minute video, right? But if you wish to see something like that, then you can comment down in the sections below. All right, I'll be happy to oblige if I have time. All right, so let's take a look at last week's picks, all right, which is a specialty of this account because we like to keep ourselves accountable. All right, last week, okay, I actually talked regularly with the people on my community post. All right, I talked about TMSD seeming pretty shaky, and I'll wait for confirmation before entering this trade, alright? Because on TMSD was last week's picks, and TM they opened, right? It kind of tanked quite a little bit. Let's put our thing over here. It tanked quite a little bit, alright? And it would have hit our stop loss. But again, when Monday it immediately dragged down a little bit, I decided, hey, this was not a very strong trade, alright? I'm not going to enter. So in the end, this trade did not happen at all. And if you look at timestamp, I definitely alerted before it went down to the lows, before it hit the stop loss. So again, as a swing trader, we got to be more flexible. We got to wait for the confirmation before entering. And confirmation is the, bounce, all right? And strong bullish pressure is the confirmation to enter a trade, because we don't want to ever catch a falling knife. All right, so TMSD right now, okay, rebounded pretty strongly. So again, actually could be a good potential candidate if it manages to hold at around the $13, $14 level, right? You could swing trade it again to the further upside. All right, but for this coming week, I'm going to give you a new pick, all right? After scanning through multiple sources of, companies over the week, all right? There's a lot of trashy companies, a lot of charts that I didn't really like, all right? But I've settled on one that seems pretty good for this coming week, and that is actually BJ. All right, BJ is BJ's wholesale club holdings, and this company, all right, have a strong buying pressure right here, boom, to the further upside, all right, and right now has been selling off, all right. This whale over here has been selling off, all right, but people have been buying back in, all right. So this level is kind of like a wedge. If you can look at it from a point of view from here, it's like a wedge, right? From here, right, a wedge, all right, could break up to the upside or to the downside, all right. In the sense, in this case, my view is more on the bullish side, all right, because due to the LATE format, we look at the 1 week time frame. The long-term trend is still very bullish, right? Super bullish. If you look at the weekly time frame, all right, and we're going to swing trade it probably for a weekly swing trade. So right now, this over here, right, we're probably going to use the profit-taking area over here. I'm going to buy probably if it holds at around the $65 level right here. All right, I'm going to buy in here. All right, stop loss right below the lows over here. Right, stop loss at around 3%. All right, and the profit target around 9-10% profits. I will be looking to take profit around there. So there's a 2.5 risk to reward ratio, a pretty decent at that. Okay, in my opinion. All right, same thing. All right, I want to do the same thing for TMSD Monday. Okay, for the first 1 to 2 hours, it should hold, all right, above $65. All right, look at this chart over here, $65. If it immediately tanks to the downside, right, then don't enter, because probably this support level has already been broken. So again, Monday is always the monitoring day. All right, monitor for the first 2 hours. All right, and if it holds strong, all right, enter. Okay, that is the trade thesis for all my trades, swing trades that I think has been working well for myself so far, and the things that I've been implementing, right. And right now, I'm going to give one stock per week because I really want to focus on the quality companies in this kind of more volatile times for the consistent swing trades. All right. And, if you wish for more this kind of content, all right, do subscribe to the channel. All right. Comment down in the sections below. Drop a like. All right. Boop the like. All right. I'll appreciate it a lot. All right. And yeah, look forward to more content on options. All right. On swing trades, on long-term investments that I'll be dropping on this channel. All right. I see some familiar faces. All right. I hope you see you guys in the comments, my friends over there. All right. From all over the world. All right. And I shall see you again in the next video, everyone. All right. Stock Estate out.